before any of that, I would ask you all, please, to spare a thought for me, to be honest with you. Stuck in here in this studio, no windows. I can't even see what kind of day it is out there, but I am assured that in large parts of the country, the sun is shining and the sky is blue. Joanna Donnelly is a meteorologist with Met Éireann. Joanna, what is the forecast? What is it looking like in different parts of Ireland today?
It's looking really well, and this spring sunshine is just so heartwarming. A little cloudier across parts of the west, though. There is a little hint of a front coming through, but it's high pressure. So high pressure is dominating. There's a ridge of high pressure over us, so those fronts don't really make a huge impact. Probably ruin a lovely day that's cloudy and there's some patchy drizzle, but otherwise it's mostly like this now for the rest of the week. At times it'll get a bit cloudier, maybe a bit patchy drizzle at times, but really it's going to be a fine week.
Oh God, yeah, it was beautiful, absolutely beautiful this morning. There was a bitter northerly wind yesterday, and this morning the skies were calm, the air was calm, the sun was shining. So how long might it last? Is it just through the week we're looking at for the moment?
Yeah, the good thing about high pressure is it's pretty predictable. So when we get a nice anticyclone building, we can say with fairly good confidence that it's going to last. And this one is lasting. Now, the only thing is it's not sitting directly over us. So it is allowing those weak weather fronts to get through. So at times it is going to get cloudier and a little patchy drizzle as well. So it's not all plain sailing. But look, today is lovely and tomorrow is going to start off a bit cloudy, but then it'll be lovely too. And it really, really feels, because it's like, the spring hasn't been that bad. It's been not a bad spring, but now with the sun, we're past the equinox. The sun is high. It's just gorgeous.
Oh, it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. So those areas of kind of overcast and a bit of drizzle, is that on the western seaboard that's more likely?
It's there at the moment, and so it's going to come through.
So you know, Joanna, do you know what that means? They're texting in now saying, typical bloody Dublin-centric radio station talking about the good weather.
Well, most of the country is good. Most of the country is good. It's there at the west, and it'll come through overnight tonight. Look, we report the weather, we forecast the weather. We don't actually make the weather.
Joanna, you didn't force any of these people to live over in the west.
Not personally, no.
So listen, I guess the real question that I have to ask is whether I should put my spuds in the ground. I kind of was worried about a bit of frost.
Oh no, I think we're good. The soil temperatures are above normal at the moment. They're a couple of degrees above normal. I think it's good now. I mean, as I said, we're past the equinox. It's only the only way is up now. Great stuff. Listen, Joanna, thanks a million for joining us. Joanna Donnelly, meteorologist with Met Éireann. John the Nappers, after getting in touch. I just woke up from my afternoon nap in the garden. What a cracking day. I love an outdoor nap. John, I hope you had a bit of sun cream on. Even in slightly cooler temperatures like this, you can burn. So, or else maybe it turned your back to it and a sun cream on the backside. What's coming next? You'd be concerned for a drought on Newstalk, I'm sure. Well, we won't concern ourselves about that just yet. But I mean, it has been several days without rain in some parts of the country. Lovely bit of rain over the weekend, for the plants that were without. But the sunshine today, glorious. And yes, I know they are already coming in the text saying, hold on, it's not exactly scorching here on the west coast. But as Joanna said, overnight and into tomorrow, you're going to see more of that. There might be patches of cloud, patches of drizzle here and there, but largely that high pressure anticyclone is kind of sitting over kind of central southern Europe, but we're the outskirts of it. So we are enjoying good weather. So enjoy it while it lasts. And if you haven't the spuds in the ground, get them in the ground. 087 1400 106.